Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today we are diving into the heart of computer, the operating system (OS) that makes them tick. The operating system acts like the conductor of an orchestra managing hardware, software, and user interaction. But with so many options out there, which one reigns supreme? Let's explore the top 5 most used desktop operating system in the world. Number 1, Windows. Taking the number 1 spot is the familiar and user-friendly Microsoft Windows. It boasts a vast array of software compatibility, making it popular choice for home user, business, and gamers alike. Windows offers a familiar interface, intuitive navigation, and wide range of built-in features like web browsing, email, and productivity tools. Plus, with its constant update and improvements, Windows remains a reliable powerhouse. 2. Mac OS. Next up, we have Mac OS, the operating system exclusively designed for Apple computers, renowned for its sleek design, user-friendly interface, and seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem. Mac OS caters to creative professionals and everyday users. Mac OS boasts exceptional multimedia capabilities, making it a favorite for photo and video editing. Additionally, it prioritizes security and stability, offering a smooth and reliable user experience. Number 3, Linux. Now let's talk about Linux, the free and open source operating system. Unlike Windows and Mac OS, Linux offers a more customizable experience for tech-savvy users. With its diverse range of distribution, Linux caters to specific needs from server to workstation. While the learning curve can be steeper, the open source nature allows for customization and a strong community for support. Number 4, Chrome OS. Chrome OS, developed by Google, takes a unique approach. It's lightweight operating system designed for Chromebooks, prioritizing cloud-based application and internet connectivity. Chrome OS offers a fast and secure experience with automatic updates and a focus on web-based applications. It's perfect for students, educators, and those who prefer a streamlined approach. Number 5, other operating system. While the top 4 dominate the market, there are other noteworthy operating systems like BSD and niche Linux distribution catering to specific user groups. This may not have the market share, but they offer unique features and functionalities appealing to a specific user. So, which operating system should you choose? It depends on your needs. Consider factors like user friendliness, software compatibility, hardware requirement, and your budget. Do your research, explore your option, and don't hesitate to ask questions in the comment below. Let's discuss with operating system reason supreme for you. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the world of desktop operating system. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos.